Imagine a drone so advanced it makes last year's model feel obsolete before you even finish your morning coffee. Well, buckle up, because DJI might have just done it again. Leaks are heating up, insiders are talking, and from what we're seeing, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just a minor upgrade, it could be a game changer. But does it still stay under the 250 gear sweet spot? And more importantly, should you be excited? In the fast-moving world of drones, timing is everything. And thanks to renowned leaker Hakashuki, who has a track record of accurate DJI insights, we now know that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is locked in for a September release. Why does this matter? Because the last Mini Pro model, the Mini 4 Pro, came out almost 2 years ago. And since then, the competition has been catching up. Skidio, Autel, and even budget brands like Hubsan are pushing the boundaries. DJI needed to respond, and they're doing it with firepower. But what's even more interesting is the buzz on the forums. Veteran drone hobbyists are already saying that once you see what the Mini 5 Pro offers, you'll likely say goodbye to your Mini 4 Pro without hesitation. Up until now, the Mini series has always been about compromise, lightweight design for casual users, but that's about to change. A 1-inch sensor, if confirmed, is a major leap. You'll get higher resolution footage, better dynamic range, great low-light performance, cleaner images with less noise. Think about shooting a golden hour sunset or a misty forest morning with more detail and clarity than ever before. Real-life example. I remember flying my Mini 3 over the Blue Ridge Mountains. The views were stunning, but once the sun dipped, noise crept in. With a 1-inch sensor, that same footage would have looked cinematic, not grainy. LiDAR isn't just a tech buzzword. For drones, it's the holy grail of navigation. Instead of just sensing objects with cameras, the Mini 5 Pro will now use light detection and ranging, which means precise depth measurement and real-time object tracking. You'll now be able to fly in dense forests or urban areas without crashes, get buttery smooth object tracking, improve safety when flying manually. A user on the DJI forums shared that his drone once clipped a tree branch in autonomous mode. With LiDAR, that's less likely to happen. Real-world benefits? Absolutely. These upgrades aren't just cosmetic. Bigger arms mean stability in wind, better payload handling, and potential for faster speeds. Pair that with vented motors, and you're looking at a drone that can handle more aggressive weather or creative challenges like towing small LED lights for night shots. OcuSync 4 Plus. The new Mini 5 Pro will support OcuSync 4 Plus, which provides 30-kilometer transmission range, ultra-low latency for live view, support for the latest RC Pro 2 controller. That's right. This tiny drone could transmit live 4K video from 30 kilometers away. While FAA regulations won't let you fly that far, this matters for signal strength and reliability even in congested areas. RC Pro 2 controller. Expected to launch alongside the Mavic 4 Pro, this controller brings higher brightness screen, enhanced antenna design, haptic feedback for manual flyers, battery life, 50 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, 50 minutes of flight time. That's nearly double what most drones offer today. Think of how many more shots you can capture, or how many takes you can redo without a mid-air battery swap. Example, filming real estate? One battery now covers an entire property, front to back, without landing. That's efficiency pros will love. This is where things get complicated. With all these upgrades, Can DJI keep it under 2 grams? That threshold isn't just a marketing gimmick. It determines whether your drone needs FAA registration in the US and impacts usage laws in many countries. So far, DJI has been silent. Some speculate they'll offer 2 versions, one with an extended battery, over 250G, and one standard. My take? I think DJI knows how important that sub-250G label is. They'll fight to keep it, possibly by trimming weight in smart places or using modular battery options. But if they do go over, it might signal that the Mini line is evolving beyond its original lightweight mission into something much more powerful. Let's be honest, tech FOMO is real. But here's who I think should consider the Mini 5 Pro. Travel vloggers needing pro quality in a pocket-sized drone. Outdoor explorers who want safety features like LiDAR. Real estate shooters seeking long flight times without carrying heavy gear. But if you already own the Mini 4 Pro and rarely shoot in low light or challenging environments, maybe wait for the reviews. The price hike might not be worth it for everyone. Personally, I'll be pre-ordering this, not just because of the specs, but because DJI seems to finally be pushing boundaries again. In many ways, the Mini 5 Pro is DJI's way of saying, we're not just refining, we're reinventing. It's a reminder that size doesn't limit potential. Whether you're a hobbyist or pro, this drone could make your flights safer, footage sharper, and workflow faster. So here's your big takeaway. Don't judge a drone by its size. Judge it by how much freedom it gives you to create.